Just doing a quick unboxing here on a brand new garage door opener. I got this Genie model, is it 7055 model? Yes, from Home Depot for 200 bucks, not sponsored. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. My old one is, I have two garage doors, two smaller ones, and this one is, the current one we have is about 15 years old, so it's time to replace it. The motor's getting loud. It's just time. It's old, and I wanted something with, it was specifically belt driven. That was easy to install, and they had the railings. So just kind of everything I needed with it, which is what we have here. And I didn't really need the Wi-Fi connect. I just don't think it's really necessary. I didn't really need the camera or anything else like that. Just something simple. Also, I sometimes hate having all the extra features to technology, and I know it's inevitable, right? It's going to happen, but that stuff just breaks, right? So just more of a headache at times. So I'm just going to unbox this here and see what we're working with. 200 bucks for this specific model, and I was looking at the other, I think it was 3155 or something that was 220, also from Home Depot. So what's looking like in the box. So you know how to start with this. I'll take these out, plastic covers. And it's got your trolley and all the other hardware that you need. I like the metal trolleys better, but of course this is a different rail system. It's not just like a T-rail, I think is what they call it, or a C-rail. So it's fine. It's not the most high-end model, but it'll be a lot better than what we have, right? So we just got a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of different hardware, things like that, and your control unit, wall unit, pulleys, some other hardware, some screws, a whole bunch of fun stuff. It's going to take a nice day of effort to put all this together. More screws, miscellaneous hardware, and I can figure this out. A lot of times this packaging makes it so difficult. Just with how it's all aligned, you don't know the best way. Oh look, more hardware. How about that? Alright, well, that's how it's going to work. I might do an install video on this, maybe. I don't know, it just kind of depends. And then here's what it's looking like so far. Close up of that. And then got your connected rails. It's like a 10-foot, I think, 2.5. These are probably about 2 feet or 2.5 feet maybe per section. So rails, hardware, and your electrical wiring, of course, which will be necessary, right? What else we got? I don't know, some more mounting brackets, more hardware, I guess. I like how everything is color coded, so that's kind of nice. Everything's labeled on here. So these are supposed to be super easy to install, and I guess, you know, we're gonna find out. But okay, so here's the unit itself. Nothing fancy, right? Power cord. And this is for the light bulb. And 60-watt max light bulb, assembled in Mexico. Okay. I don't know what isn't assembled overseas or even in Mexico or Canada, right? I'm trying to find a manufacturer date on this, but I can't. This is the 7055 model. So that's what we're working with, the 7055. And oh yeah, you have these are mounting to the garage door. That's what that hardware's for itself. Last year I replaced the other one. I had a Chamberlain or a LiftMaster, and I just replaced the unit. This thing, I think that was like $150 $50 or something. And of course you have recommended manual, or recommended tools I should say, hardware bags, what's what. I like how it's color coded, so that's kind of nice. Should be for an easy install. But you know how things go, right? As soon as you think something's easy, you got the quick and easy assembly. Download the free app so you can scan that. The warranty information on here, and then just more of the manual, right? So that's kind of what we're working with. That's going to be a nice project this weekend, and I think that's almost it. Oh yeah, here's a belt, which is definitely what I wanted. I wanted something quieter. So that's, oh, we're still finding stuff down here. Oh no, never mind. Oh yeah, that was just cardboard down there. Wireless keypad instructions and all that. It's supposed to come pre-programmed, but we'll see. So I think that's finally everything. That's everything. So I'm gonna do a different video on this once I get it up or installed. I don't know yet, haven't decided, but that's what we're working with. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.